How to download deleted messages on your Facebook. For recovering your deleted messages, open your Facebook app. Now click on three lines here. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. And here click the setting icon. Now scroll down the page. Click on Download your information. Click on Continue. Now tap on Download or Transfer information. And now select the option Specific types of information. Here you can download messages, post pages, events and much more. But right now we are only gonna recover messages, so tap on Messages and click Next. It is going to download in your device, so tap on Next and click on Create Files. Here you can see your messages information download in progress. With this way, you can recover your Facebook messages. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.